intuition has never fooled Detective Sam before. Something bad has clearly happened here. Huh? Coke. The detective involuntarily noted to himself that his partner Susan would be horrified by such a mess. Wait a minute! Where is Sue? The detective was sure that the lead to this incident was right in front of him. Well, what do we have here? Don't look for me. Detective Sam needs to reconstruct the chain of events. It all began like an ordinary craft day.
Hi guys, Sam and I decided to make a very unusual craft today.
A magic typewriter made of cardboard!
Oh Sammy, come on, you just stolen my thunder. And I thought you were my best friend.
No, Susie, please don't hold grudges. I just really wanted to help. Let me outline everything by myself, huh?
Here, you better work with this. Just follow my lead. Draw 2 circles with a diameter of 2.5 centimeters. And then turn them into the openings. Nothing complicated here.
Piece of cake, especially for an experienced crafter like me, Sue.
Wow, good job. Maybe you should make our craft brighter, don't you think?
Not another word. Samuel Magnifique is already here. And I'm full of brilliant ideas. What kind of character was that? What if he's involved in Sue's disappearance? How do you like this color palette, Mademoiselle Susan?
I think it's perfect. This is the hottest color in this season.
Well then, it's good that I have already decorated all the details.
Wow, now that's what I call a bullseye. And now let's do this. And the first step in the assembling of our craft will be left behind. Alright, somewhere here I saw the details for the next stage.
Protect yourself. Take that.
This one.
Hey, why did you ruin my game?
You do get distracted so easily, Sammy. At this rate, it'll take us forever to finish this craft.
You're right. Come on, let me help you, Susie. Yeah, all done.
Wow. Guys, don't forget that you can always ask an adult for help.
Oh, I just can't believe that very soon I'll have my personal typewriter. Woohoo!
By the way, what exactly are you planning to use it for?
I'm gonna write a detective novel. After all great writers had such gadgets, right?
Oh, Sammy, it's not the typewriter that makes the work great. It's the talent of the author.
Well, I definitely have a plenty of that. And what are you making?
The thing without which our craft will not work as it should. So, could you not distract me? And now, we'll carefully fix our paper strip on the lower roller.
Help, then don't distract. Could you make up your mind? Ow! What was that?
That was instant punishment for your grouchy mood.
Very funny. So why do we need these details?
We will glue this one like this so that it would be a tiny distance between it and the rollers, you see? And here we'll be putting paper sheets to print whatever we want on them. And the second part is the black what? Hey, Sammy, what are you doing?
An instant punishment for you being smarty pants.
Oh, you. We'll glue this part a bit at an angle and the mechanism of the typewriter is finished.
Finally, we're one step closer to finishing our craft. I think I'm hungry. Oh.
Psst, guys, while Sammy's gone, I'll show you a secret. The trick is to feed the paper sheet into the mechanism with the right side up.
Sure, would you like a cookie? Oh, what are you
don't crumble near the craft.
Hey, how rude!
Ew, that was close. Remember, guys, we start from the bottom roller and twist it in like this, slowly, until the paper sheet is completely hidden inside.
Okay, no food. Satisfied. Seems like I got crumbed all
Poor
the way.
thing. That's because you're always in a hurry.
I'll go drink some water. Be right back.
Okay, guys, we don't have much time. Watch carefully. Here goes a blank sheet. We spin the roller like this, imagining that we're really typing something here. And ta-da! Really great, isn't it? Oh, Sam's coming.
All right, Susie, now I'm definitely ready to continue working on our craft.
Just what we need.
But I haven't finished. Remember, guys, you should always use only clean props for your craft. Whoa, I didn't expect that.
Now let's get rid of the excess, huh? And we'll fix the necessary pieces using ordinary wooden sticks.
Sue, I don't get it. I thought we were done with the mechanism.
The thing is, I've just remembered that I forgot something very important. Be careful with the hot glue, guys. Don't burn your fingers. Here we go.
Even the all-knowing Sue makes mistakes. Let me help you, otherwise something will go wrong again. The Would you be so kind? Thanks. Here we go. And done.
All we've left to do is attach that thing in its place, and an awl will come in handy.
Guys, don't use any sharp tools without adult supervision.
Now everything seems to be great.
Wait!
Let's just...
Stop! I have an idea. Give that thing to me.
Okay, I'll wait.
Here, I've covered it with the prettiest duct tape I can
Whoa,
find.
Sammy, I just love it! And check out how great it fits into the overall design of the craft. Looks very cool, right? And here goes the last step of the stage. Neat edges.
Well, half of the craft is ready. It's time to move on. Susie, I cut everything out just like you said.
Why, thank you.
Ow!
Our main task is to make neat folds like this on both sides of this piece, so that this cardboard strip would sort of hug the mechanism. Not hard, right?
And now we'll secure everything with glue.
Whoa, wait, Sammy, it's a bit too early for that. We need to cut the front part of the case first. Hop? I said the front part of the case. That's what I was talking about. But guys, be careful when you cut all of this out.
Holy cannoli, but I want to help you so bad.
Well, you can tell me something interesting and the work will go faster.
All right. Did you know that the first piece of fiction printed on a typewriter was The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? And it was almost 150 years ago.
Wow, now that's knowledge, Sammy. How old is the typewriter itself then, huh?
Over 300 years old, and the world's first patent for it was issued by Queen Anna.
So, we're making almost royal craft here. Only not this Anna, but the English Queen Anna Stewart. That's better.
Slime inspection. Extra support is always good.
And now let's check everything. Alright, our printing mechanism fits perfectly here.
And where can it fit the keyboard, huh? I can't figure that out.
Well, this is perhaps the most time-consuming part of our craft today. Using a key map template like this one, we'll carefully make the cuts on the bottom half of this piece, this way. Hop.
It's quite a painstaking process, guys, so while Sue's busy, hit the subscribe button.
And now we need to slightly expand these openings like this. Speaking of, we're gonna need quite a lot of such wooden sticks today.
So are you saying that? I think I got it! Hold on a sec! Just don't go anywhere, Sue!
Oh, that's Slime. He's up to something again. While in the meantime, I'll bring the body of our machine to perfection.
Interesting. I look at myself and understand that Sue does all the work in crafting by herself. That's not good. Susie, I feel embarrassed that you do all the crafting all alone. Therefore, ta-da! All this will make a great keyboard. Seem great, huh?
Are you saying that we'll make keyboard keys from buttons? That's brilliant, Sammy! In that case, all we've left to do is carefully glue the buttons like this.
And at this stage, you can ask an adult to help because we're gonna need a lot of buttons.
Now we'll carefully secure each of them in its place, like this. You can look at your computers and phones and replicate the keyboard layout.
But you can also add a couple of keys of your own. Step aside. Well, what do you say, Sue?
Wow, I think it turned out great, especially this heart key.
Somehow, I don't like the hole in the middle of this craft, Sue. Did you make a mistake in the sizes when you cut out the details?
Of course not. In the real typewriters, it is the space where the printing segment slots are located. But for our cardboard gadget, we can build segment slots from improvised materials.
You're doing great, Sue. And you have it all figured out.
Why, of course. Especially with our crafting experience, Sammy. You know, we always do everything qualitatively and beautifully. Do you agree, guys?
It's time to try out the typewriter.
Alright, let's fill the paper here, this way. And now we're going to type, for example, I love Sammy. And look, everything's working. What good crafters we are.
It's just incredible! Hooray! Now I can print my detective novel! But first, why don't we check out our craft one more time, guys? Oh, I recollected everything that had happened here before, but I don't have a clue about what happened to Sue! I'm useless! I'm no detective at all!
What's wrong? Say, what happened? Why are you crying so hard?
Sue, are you okay? You didn't get into any trouble?
Oh, of course not. I just went to the store, see?
But what about all this mess and your message?
The mess must be Buddy's deed. Hey, come here. And the message? You just didn't read it till the end. See for yourself.
Don't look for me. Off to the store. Be right back. Holy canola, I guess I messed this one up. You kinda scared me though.
Guys, did you like our craft today? Then we're waiting for your thumbs ups and don't forget to subscribe.
Make sure that you've hit the bell button as well. See you soon, boys and girls. Bye-bye.